You give me wisdom, peace. Like my brother said, special. Now only you feel.
Go and say, hey Jay, do what you know how to do best and make my wife happy. And you know, in 48 hours, we made it happen. Happy birthday, HMG. Thanks for being an amazing mother, amazing sister, amazing wife, and amazing friend to all of us. We love you, we cherish you, Mr. Jotos love you, and personally, before David hands over his gifts, this is a $10,000 cash from you. Happy birthday again. And this is your new car right here. It's a G-63 AMG, package, mass life, especially congratulations, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.